The Pedigree ovens project came together through a relationship with Simpleray and Althoff Industries. It's a fixed tilt ground mount 1.7 megawatts DC array that should offset 100% of the facility's energy consumption on an annual basis, along with being a really cool dog bone.
So we're kind of a one-stop shop in the pet industry in consumables. We have about 250 different brands that we build. People are looking for sustainable products. We thought that the solar array would give us renewable energy and sustainable energy.
Without Simpleray's knowledge and expertise with the incentives and the financing, the project would have never really happened.
I think that this project is going to benefit Pedigree ovens because they're going to have a predictable and reliable source of energy for the next 25 plus years to come. They're going to be able to accurately predict their energy cost and increase their profitability by controlling one of their most critical expenses, which is going to be electricity.
Simpleray and Lewis and Althoff have done a great job in putting this all together.
This project for Pedigree ovens is going to offset approximately 159,000 tons of coal being burned every single year that's in operation. So we're really excited about that.
Hopefully we'll have a lot of good years with this system and produce a lot of energy.
What appears to be a very simple dog bone and paw print was actually the work of a lot of people. And the fact that it made it through to actually being built was very incredible. I'm really excited to fly over it and look at it for years to come. It's something I think everyone can be very proud of.